I'm Doug Pittman. I live in Irmo, South Carolina. We are currently at Moe's. This is my third time here this week. John Coggison. Go to Moe's. Come on, man.
Dr. Pittman works in the pharmacy department at the University of South Carolina. Despite working in the pharmacy department, he specializes in biomedical research. In 1998, Dr. Pittman took part in the scientific discovery of the gene RAD51D, which furthered the understanding of human genetics.
It was probably the first gene identified that's involved in chromosomes coming apart at the right time during meiosis. And people who have defects in these genes would not be able to make germ cells, so sperm or egg, and they wouldn't be able to have kids.
The discovery of this gene helped bridge the gap between the understanding of human genetics and cancer.
Potentially, people who have defects in this particular gene might have the wrong numbers of chromosomes that could lead to things like Down syndrome, where there's 3 copies of chromosome 21. And there's a lot of connection between that and cancer as well. So what we discovered in one can be applied to cancer, and what can apply to cancer, we can understand development.
Surprisingly, Dr. Pittman's interests were not always geared towards science.
So I was a junior in high school, and my dad had strokes. He had a bunch of strokes, and they couldn't figure out what was wrong with him. And I thought, that was my first time ever being in a hospital. And I thought, I kind of like biology. I mean, I don't really love it or anything, but I kind of like it. But I saw in the hospital, you could do a lot of good if you got into this kind of stuff. And so that was really my motivation right there that kicked me off to get into biomedical research.
After walking in someone else's shoes, I'm Chelsea Mitchell.
Lab. Radioactive material.